Hi, this is Sharon with SharonItWithYou.blogspot.com, and today we're going to be making this lovely card with a Hawaiian shirt on top with a little belt to it. The main focus of the video will be showing you how to make the actual shirts. So let's get started. You're going to start with a piece of DSP 3x6 scored at 3/4 and 2 1/4. And you're going to take it and you're going to fold in where the score lines are. Don't forget your bone folder to make it nice and crisp. Open it back up and fold in the corners to the score line like that. Then you're going to take it so you can fold the triangle on itself like this and this. Then you're going to lay it back down, close the scores again, and squish it down. And this is going to create the sleeves. Like that. And then at the top, you're going to flip it over. You're just going to fold a little bit at the top to make the collar of the shirt. Flip it over, and you're going to make these 2 points touch each other. So it looks like this. Make sure you're using your bone folder to make it nice and crisp. And the last step is to take this and fold it in half, but you want to make sure that you tuck it under the collar tips. Once you have that set, use your bone folder and fold it straight. Ta-da! Hawaiian shirt. Isn't that cute? Alright, for the card, you're going to start with a piece of Whisper White that is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 scored at 3, and a piece of cardstock that is 2 by 8 scored at 4. You're going to fold it here on the score line. I'm going to use this punch to make a little slot here. You're going to fold this piece in half along the score line. We're going to put some adhesive on the back. And you just want to center it on the card here. Then you're going to take your shirt that you just made, put some adhesive there, tuck in the belt, and center it right there. And that's it. If you want to, you can also decorate the background, like I did here, with some pineapples. Made it a little cute. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.